What's going on, everybody? I'm out here doing another project today. Got me some 2x4s and plywood. Going to be doing building a hunting blind. So I actually lucked out this week. We're having our bulk trash pickup, and somebody actually threw out 5 sheets of particle board. So I saw those, and I was like, "There's my walls right there for a deer blind." So that saved me some money there. And then somebody was also throwing away some fence sections. So I was like, hell, there's some more wood right there. Just got to take it apart, pull out all the nails, and then I can go ahead and cover up that particle board, the walls. Hopefully it'll last a little longer than just particle board. But I got the plywood for the floor and another sheet for the roof. And then these 2x4s, I'll just build the frames for the walls. And then I'll just nail all these particle boards right up to it. And it's going to be a 4x8 foot blind. And I'll probably just elevate it maybe just about a foot or two just to get it off the ground so it doesn't get a lot of moisture on the bottom. So it won't be directly on the ground, but I'm not going to make it real high. But so that's what I got going on. I'm gonna go ahead and build this, and I'll show it to you when I'm done. Later. All right, guys. Forgot I was making a video. I already got the frame up. Completed the frame yesterday. Gonna walk in right here. It's gonna be a door. Come in. You're gonna have a window here, window here, a window here, another window on the side. So that's the setup of this. This is a 6 foot tall ceiling. Plenty of room for me. I'm short. Got the base down here. So we're actually going to have some 4x4 posts that are going to go on the bottom. Just lift it up just a little bit, not too much. But right now I'm putting these particle board sheetings on the walls, and I'm going to go ahead and wrap it all around. Then I'll take it apart and take it out to the ranch and set it up and let you see what it looks like in the end. But let me get back to work. What's going on, everybody? Got this blind all paneled up already. Got the frame, got the panel, got all the windows set. Got this back part. Just need to build the door. And that back wall will go there. You notice this is all particle board, so that usually soaks up a lot of water. Will probably start to rot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all these fence boards and cover it up with that. Just nail that real quick with the nail gun. And just give it a little more protection so it lasts a little longer. And once I got that done, then I'll take it apart and haul it off to the ranch. But that's what I got going on today. Should be able to wrap it up and get that knocked out, and we'll see how it goes after that. I'm not sure if I'm just gonna leave the wood like that, or if I end up painting it. I don't know, there's a lot of old barns and old sheds out there, so deer might be accustomed to seeing old buildings like that. Won't get spooked, but we'll see how it goes and get back with you. What's going on, everybody? Out here at the ranch. I finally got this blind set up out here. Came out pretty nice. But went ahead and put the roof on. Got some windows here. Got windows on the side. Got it painted black inside so it's all darked out. These windows are just simple plywood. Something easy, cheap. South Texas, so it gets hot down here, so even in winter I can have a heater buddy inside and the windows down, it'll still be nice and warm. But this is a nice door I'd built. Ran out of a cutting wheel, so I need to finish cutting that off, but got a tin roof up on top. Nice solid door here. This is the inside. It's a 6 foot tall, which is plenty for me since I'm so short. But it's a 4x6 blind. So you just got these windows here. They got little latches so you could close them up. Just lower that down and you're good. Side window, another side window. Put a little shelf here. You can put your binos, rangefinder, drinks, what have you. I might add another shelf up here. I'll put some hooks here so you can hang your bow, crossbow, what have you. But overall, this came out pretty nice. It's a little bit overkill. It's just a blind out in the woods, but it actually came out pretty nice. It's gonna last quite a while. Like I said, it was just particle board that I got for free. Somebody was throwing it out. They had 5 sheets of particle board, so I got that to build the walls. And then all this material, this is just old fence board. People were throwing out a bunch of old fence that they had redone, and they were just sitting on the street. So I picked those up, took them apart, took all the nails out, and repurposed those. And it actually looks pretty good. It actually looks like it belongs out here in the country. I might not even have to camouflage it because it actually blends in with the mesquite wood and everything, so it's actually not too bad. But that's my hunting blind, and I went ahead and cleared all this area out. This was all cactus and mesquite. It looked just like that, so I cleared it all out, cut it all down, and I set up this tripod feeder. This is a Game Winner tripod feeder from Academy. Got it for $69. It's on sale. So it's got a digital timer, and I just turned it on. You can see all the corn around. So this little 6-volt battery, it shot corn all the way out here. So that's pretty good amount of corn it threw out for 6 seconds. I got it set to go off early morning and then late evening. So hopefully this will attract some deer. I know it's going to bring in the hogs. If the hogs do come in too much, I'll have to put a pin around to keep them out. So that way the deer could be out here, not be harassed by all the pigs, because they'll come, they'll eat everything up right away. But we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna leave this set for now. I'll probably put a game cam right here on one of these branches, so we keep track of what's coming out here. It's the beginning of September right now, so I'll just set all this up and I'll just walk away and stay away for about 2 months, and then come back out here and see what's coming around. I'll be checking on the camera every now and then, but I'll wait till later on to come and actually hunt it. But this is what I got so far. We'll see how it goes this season. Thanks for watching.